I'm here to tell you about these cable clip organizer ultimate cable management doodads. These are ultimately to use to hide things like these cables and wires and to just keep things organized. And I got these in the mail yesterday and I'm really excited about them because one of the things that drives me crazy at home is phone cables. They seem to just multiply by the day and I really don't like them. So I bought these cable clip organizers and they're pretty neat. If you look at them, you can use them for all sizes of cables. It can fit big or small. And they've got an adhesive on the back and you simply just pull this off, and I'm just going to stick it up here, and I'm actually going to kind of fold my cable since it's thick enough to hide it this way, and I'm going to just pop it up in here. It's that easy. And then I'm just going to pull it out, push my phone back a little bit. I think probably to make it nicer, I'm going to start with another one of these, like this. And I'm going to start on this back corner here, and I'll just kind of pull it up in here, like this, and then pull it down like this. And then I'm going to double it up so I don't have to use as many, like so, because there's plenty of space. And I'm going to double it again over here, like this. Then I'm going to triple it one more time, right there. And then to hide it even more, I'm going to take one more of these right here. I'm going to peel the adhesive off. I'm actually going to make it a little bit longer. Just kind of make it look a little bit nicer and not so spread out. And as you can see, I put it the wrong way. It came off pretty easily. I'm going to pull it down a little bit like this. And then back it up again. And back it up one more time, like so. And now, as you can see, not so much cable on the counter. And I think I'm going to pop it one more time. Let's see how much I can get. Not a lot of leadway on this, so I'm just going to pull it down a little bit so that you don't see it hanging down on the countertop. Now, just like that. So you really see how it looks up there. However, if you walk in the room, you can see, if you're standing up, that you just see a little bit of that. You just see a little bit.